I am SR. Welcome to my YouTube channel EomBusiness. Today we will learn how we can update lag time of a product. Okay, let's start. Go to the seller center. Just click on catalog. Then just click on update item. Then click update with the file. Then click show Walmart templates. You can see there are so many templates are there. We have to download lag time template. To download the template, just click on the lag time template. You can see the template has been downloaded. Just open the lag time template. Just click on the enable edit. Just click here. Then just again go to the catalog. Just click on published item. You can see there are 982 items are published in my inventory. I will only change 3 of those items for you. You can see if I will take more item, the video may be longer. So I will only choose 3 items. You can see this is the lag time template. In this template there are 2 sections. One is SKU, you can see, and another is fulfillment lag time. We have to give the required data in this template. Okay, first is SKU, then just come to the catalog. This is my product SKU. I will copy this SKU, just paste it here. Then I will copy another one, paste it here. Then I will copy another one like this. I will paste it here. I will just make it to correct format. Click on the format cells. Then you can see right now it is in correct format. For the lag time, I want to change 1. The lag time should be 1 for my 3 items. Okay, I will put it 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. In this process, we will give the required data in the lag time template. First, we will know what is lag time. Lag time means how many times a seller required to prepare the item for the shipments. That means if you receive a order today, then how many time you need to prepare those packaging, the labeling for the shipments. Okay, that is known as lag time. For default wall time, if you will not change the wall time lag time to for your products, the Walmart default lag time is 0. If you will change it to 1, that means if you will receive the order today, you have to ship that item day after tomorrow. Okay, if you will not change the lag time, if the Walmart default lag time is 0, if you will receive the order today, you have to ship this item within the day. That's why we have to change the lag time. Okay, then just save the file, then close the file. Again go to the update item. You can see, just click update with file, then just click select. There are so many options are there. I have to choose lag time update. That I will click here. Then browse the file where the saved file is saved. Just browse here, click the browse. Then this is my lag time template. I will upload this file. Just select the lag time template, open it. It will take only 60 seconds to process. You can see file submitted successfully. Okay, to track the template either it has been processed or not, just go to the activity feed, click here. You can see here, you can see the status of the template. You can see the pending status is pending right now. It will take some time to update. No problem. This is the process. You can update any lag time of the product you have listed on walmart.com. Okay, there are other options are there. I will make a separate video for that process. Till today I am ending the video here. You can see before ending the video, I will show you either it is processed or not. Just refresh the page. You can see it is taking some time to update. Still it is pending. It will take some more time. In that time I will show you the another thing, that is the listing quality. Okay, just go to the growth, just click here, listing quality. Okay, you will see the what is the quality of the listing, how much item you have listed on Walmart. You can see here the listing quality, and the quality should be more than 90% according to the Walmart. Okay, you can see here the listing score breakdown for my listing. Shipping speed, you can see poor. Rating and review also poor. Price and competitiveness, that is good. And content quality 86.87%, that is excellent. Published and in stock 93.76, which is excellent. Okay, this is the listing quality, and you can see 736 listings are poor, 38 only in good condition. Okay, let's again go to the activate feed to check either the lag time template has been processed or not. Just click on the activity feed again. You can see here the lag time has been processed or not. Still it is pending. So due to the server taking some time, so it is taking some time. It should be processed within the 1 to 2 minutes maybe maximum. Sometimes it takes 2 to 5 minutes, but it will be processed soon. Okay, no problem. This was the total process how you can update the lag time. Also you can see previously also I have processed the lag time. You can see it is already processed, so it is taking some time. So I am ending this video here. See you again with another new video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.